Welcome to Ask and Learn.
So in this question, omega 1 equal 0.2 over 0.125, which is equal 1.6 radian per second, and omega 2 equal V2 over 0.125 equals 8 V2, and theta equals sine inverse 15 over 125 equals 6.8921 degree, and h equal 125 minus 125 cosine 6.8921, which is equal 0.90326 millimeters, and t1 plus v1 equal t2 plus v2. So we have half times 3 multiply 0.2 square plus half multiply 2 over 5 times 8 times 0.125 square times 1.6 square plus 0 equals negative 0.90326 times 10 power negative 3 times 8 times 9.81 plus half multiply 8 omega square multiply 0.125 square plus half multiply 2 over 5 multiply 8 times 0.125 square omega square. From this equation we get omega equal 1.836 radian per second and hp2 equals hp3. So if we substitute by the values, we will get 2 over 5 multiply 8 multiply 0.125 square multiply 1.836 plus 8 times 1.836 multiply 0.125 cosine 6.892 times 0.125 cosine 6.892 minus 8 times 0.22948 sine 6.892 multiply 0.125 sine 6.892, which is equal 2 over 5 multiply 8 multiply 0.125 square all multiply omega 3 plus 8 times 0.125 omega 3 multiply 0.125. So from this equation omega 3 will be equal 1.79 radian per second, and also T3 plus V3 equal T4 plus V4. So we have half times 2 over 5 times 8 multiply 0.125 square multiply 1.7980 square plus half times 8 multiply 1.798 square multiply 0.125 square plus 0 equals 8 times 9.81 multiply 0.903 times 10 power negative 3 plus half multiply 2 over 5 times 8 multiply 0.125 square multiply omega 4 square plus half times 8 multiply omega 4 square multiply 0.125 square. So from this equation, omega 4 will equal 1.56 radian per second. So that V2 will be equal 1.56 multiply